Hi, welcome back to my other channel review, and this time we are reviewing Matchbox Mini Countryman in red. As you can see, the Mini Countryman self from its bubble and from the front of the car. Okay, it is a number 11 from 100, and as usual, back of the card is the same as other cards, and let us reviewing and unboxing this Mini Countryman. Okay, let us pull it out from the bubble, and it is quite easy to open the bubble. As usual, we see if there's any differences between the card and the Mini Countryman or the car itself. Now we are seeing from the left side of the car. Yes, there's a door handle there. There's a side mirror. The glasses are made from black, and the roof, I think the color of the roof body is a black, and from the front side of the car, it has nice detailing from the temple, from the radiator, and there's a logos on the middle of the front of the hoods. I think this is the logo of the Morris. Okay, from the right side, yeah, it is the same from the left side, but the rims are good. It is a 5-spoke rims. And from the back side, no back side, no, from the rear side of the car, yes, there's a Countryman right there. There's a Cooper from the license, and the rear lights are detailed. There's a yellow and red from the light. There's a muffler came out from the bumper, and you can see from the base itself, it is nice detail from the base. There's a 2011 Mini Cooper Countryman to 2018 metal made in Thailand. There's a elephant there. It is a cool cast of a Mini Countryman in red. As you can see, there's a lot of detail from the interior. Okay, now let us put in there. And now, as usual, we bring you the 360 angle from the Mini Countryman. And now I'll see you again for the other reviews of the other diecast car. Bye.